Here's how to fix Steam download speeds dropping to zero or running very slow. Click the Steam logo in the top left and open Steam Settings. Then click Downloads and click Clear Cache. This is officially recommended by Steam for download errors. Note, this will stop and delete progress on any current downloads, so confirm when prompted and Steam will restart. Next, open the Start menu, search View Network Connections, right-click your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and open Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties, enable Use the following DNS server addresses, and enter Google's public DNS values. Click OK and close everything. Search for CMD, open Command Prompt as administrator, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Then type netshay winsock reset and press Enter. Finally, right-click the Start button, open Device Manager, expand Disk Drives, select the drive you are downloading to, right-click it, open Properties, click Policies, and uncheck the relevant power saving setting. Then click OK and close everything. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.